today I am reviewing this 100-foot metal braided hose. Because it's metal, it is extremely durable. It's resistant to UV rays. It's not, it's resistant to cuts, etc. And it also resistant to kinks. Like, look at this. You can't kink it. Even if you're strong as I am. Comes with this nice adjustable head. I like that it clearly on this side shows which side is, which way is off and on. Has a bunch of different settings. Chrome finish here. Nice grip. I like this little shield right here with this nice rubber on each side and over here. And another nice thing, it came with some Teflon tape to try to make a perfect seal. All right, so I'm gonna water some plants. We love our plants around here. We have our different settings. Has a nice click to get into place. There's like a shower. Let's turn it on. Looks like a flat. Downward soak. And a triangle. Up to the side, down the side. And a jet. Like a mist. Yeah, so overall, works really good. Turn it off just like that. Nice with the 100-foot length. You can move this anywhere, and it's really durable and a nice hose. What I like about these metal hoses, especially after you fill them up with water, they're super easy to reel back up. Really easy. They don't seem to kink or bend or get tangled as much as a rubber hose. I really like them, and they also take up less space on this reel. So we have a 100-foot hose here, which would be all over the place with this big. I have a big yard over an acre, and need to install more water spigots everywhere. So it's nice to have a really long-reaching hose. You can see we'll put this 100-foot right here. Everything fits, and with a rubber or whatever hose, it would be a lot more messy, but this is smaller diameter and cinches up better. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.